with us from LNM Hacks. So, hi Prashant, tell me a bit about yourself.
Hi everyone, GM sir. Myself Prashant Mishra, and right now I am just caught up with my LNM Hacks hackathon, and we are building Editrust so we can scale it further to the community.
So, how was LNM Hacks? Can you give me a more brief about what did you build there?
So basically, our project was based on creating a tamper-proof verification on documents regarding students' documents, basically, and we added multiple features regarding that. How can student earn through that? How can institutes can earn through that? How can students share their notes? And we created a marketplace for that on our platform. We got a lot of help from Monad, Serene AI, and the LNM Hacks mentors during that session, and a lot of verbal communication was there so we can get through the problems that we were facing during that hackathon.
Yeah, sounds cool. So, can you show me a bit of demo of what you have built there? Can you share your screen?
Yeah, sure, sure, sure.
Sure, sure.
Sure. Is it visible now?
Yeah. Yeah, it's visible.
So sir, basically our platform is that you have multiple roles here. So when you click here, let me click here. So as you can see, there are three types of roles. So as a student you can access your credentials that are issued by the institutions, basically, and the verifier's role is for those companies who are verifying basically your documents for legitimate employment and all these things. For nowadays, companies are spending around 80 to 70 crores on hiring department, and it's too much for normally to spend that much. And while I created this platform, I was basically focused on data. So how can we reduce the cost? So
Mm-hmm.
as our documents are tampered proof on blockchain, so it will be always a trustworthy platform. And if the institutions are minting the documents of the student, then that creates another trust source. And regarding that, we have included our X402 protocol on the platform on the verifier side. So every time a verification happens, that the verifier need to pay around some fees. Right now we are on Monad testnet, and further
Mm-hmm.
after launching our project on mainnet, we will be going to Solana. And so for now, as you can see, this is the verifier portal. So
Okay.
anyone who wants to verify basically his data and documents regarding someone's, for example, you are in a hiring department and you want to verify a student's resume, achievements, and documents that have been listed. So you just have to click here and upload the data. It will go
Okay.
through the 402 protocol, and then if the hash proof that matches on our blockchain will be correct, so it will ask for paying a fees of zero point 0.1 monad for now, as it's on testnet. And then after verification, basically there will be a basic verification that will go on the student vault. So if I click here, student will be able to see the verification number of counts that he has got on that particular document. And every time a verifier pay around zero point 0.1 monad fees or whatever, so the 25% of that fees will directly go to the student's wallet address, and
Okay.
10% to the, basically 20% to the institutions.
Okay.
And
So continue.
yes, sir. Ask the question.
So I had a question like how are you verifying these documents? Like you are storing it in an Oracle or like how are these getting verified? Like how are the verifiers seeing that okay this is the verified document or this is legitimate?
So basically, when a university, right? So when a university logins to our page, correct?
Okay.
So they issue the students' achievements.
Okay.
We issue the students of achievement on our blockchain platform. We are using IPFS hash, so that
Okay.
that remains tamper proof. And when that particular NFT is minted by an issuer,
Hmm.
basically the institutes, so
Hmm.
it will be on our blockchain, and then verifier comes, and the
Hmm.
same document is uploaded by the verifier. So we
Okay.
basically create a IPFS hash for that and match to our past hash that we have already stored in it.
Okay, I
So
get the picture now. Uh-huh.
after you match, then it will show there's already an document existed, so you have to pay that fees to verify the document. That's how it is.
Okay, got it, got it. So, is there something else which you want to show with your MVP,
Yes,
what you have built?
yes, sir. Yes, sir. I want to show
Okay,
one
yeah.
more thing.
Sure, sure, I'm
So
waiting.
let me
Mm.
So there's a marketplace platform, right? So here students can sell their all type of notes, and for example, you are a machine learning engineer, you can sell your models and your deep learning models and all the things related to basically education, right? So as I have some mock data for, as you can see, AI disease prediction noted, right? So
Mm-hmm.
here you can list your notes and people can basically, it creates value to your study, it's create value to your education, basically our platform. That's what we are aiming for right now.
Like I can share what I have like learned throughout my
Yes,
college
yes,
journey, and
yes,
if I made some notes, okay,
yes,
that
yes, you
makes
can
sense.
share all the verifications right now.
Okay.
So there's a one utility that we have shared with, that I want to share with the users. So basically, if you are the top 10 100 most buyers of our tokens, so there will be no withdrawing fees and limit to you, and you can list as much as notes as you want uh, after the launch for at least 1 month free, and there will be no extra network fees will be charged for them.
Yeah, that's great. That's a good thing. So yeah. So anything else do you want to show with what you have built?
So I was coming up with the issue that the companies who are verifying basically students' documents, so they have to upload multiple documents, right? So it's hectic to upload a single document and verify, and that how it is. So we created another option that you can basically bulk upload. Here's the option.
Okay.
So you can upload multiple files. Our platform will filter all the documents and all the achievements, and we will create a hash for that, and then we will match through the same process will go on, and according to the verification portal, so the protocol will be charged around the number of verification you are asking for, and that helps even the verifier to reduce their cost and time also. As of
Mm-hmm.
now in India, around a single company is having almost 1000 employees of HR department, and they
True.
spend around they also use a third party companies, those have centralized database to verify and tie-ups with the government databases to verify students documents. So every company needs a trusted obviously employee, so they verify through third party companies and all, so they almost spend around 70 crore rupees. By using our platform, they will almost reduce to around 40 to 60 crore of revenue cost. So basically it will only cost around 12 crores a year basically. That's
That's
how it.
great. That's great. So how did you come up with this idea during the hackathon period?
So
Like what
basically
was
we
the
were
problems?
discussing.
Continue.
So basically, we were discussing with our mentor. So he was trying to find some problems that we were coming up with. How we are
Mm-hmm.
going to legitimate that the issuer is the correct one. How we are going to legitimate that the players in the market don't have that decentralized platform. So we checked through all the problem that we were coming with. So at the end, we come up to the final solution that there is a lot of fake resumes are going through
True.
the market right now. A lot of
Mm-hmm.
people are faking their resumes, they
Mm-hmm.
upload fake achievements and all this. If a trustworthy source has uploaded that certificate or an achievement on the
Mm-hmm.
blockchain, then
Mm-hmm.
the company will obviously trust that platform, right? They
True,
won't
true.
have to check through basically all the documents, all the centralized database. They just have to upload the documents, then instant verification will get. So it's saving the time. So when we were discussing that who are those third party players? For example, DigiLocker was the one question that was raised, uh, that they were saying that what's the difference between you and the DigiLocker. So I said
Mhm.
companies and private company doesn't have direct access to the government portals of getting data, right? So we
Okay.
are providing that here.
Mhm.
That's the main difference.
Okay,
And
yeah, that's actually great.
the main part is that people are students are getting their rewards back, right? Whenever a
True,
verification
true.
verifier pays the fees, the institutes and the students both get the revenue, right? That's
Mm.
the one main part we come up with to make it a rewardable platform too. And the best part is our marketplace will be more helpful for students to uh,
Mhm.
earn money and also get the true value of their documents.
True. So, what are your future milestones with this product? Like, when are you willing to launch, and what are the milestones?
As for now, I am thinking to raise some funds so I can shift to the Solana smart contracts. So
Okay.
as you know, for now we are on Monad testnet. That's not much of
Mhm.
an expensive thing, but Solana contracts, and we have to integrate multiple blockchain tokens further.
Okay.
So as people don't only transaction do in a single token, right? They can use USDT, they can use other crypto tokens, right? So we have to shift to that. So we have to do multiple smart contracts, and my goal is to basically connect to the those companies which are facing those problems to hire students, trustworthy students and employees. And
Mhm.
my goal is to connect to the universities and institutes and anyone who is providing, for example, we say a training program institute is providing courses, so they can mint their certificates for every single student on our platform. So it will be always a legitimate platform, right? So it will be always a legitimate proof that will be available on our platform. It will never be tampered. That's why we are using blockchain. So my
Okay.
goal is to reach out to
Mhm.
companies and reach out to institutes, as many as students I can get on my platform, as many as companies who wants to reduce their hiring cost. I want to get to them. That's
Mhm.
I have in my mind right now. I don't want to jump up to more further places. As I create community, as I get more feedback, then I will know what are the problems I am facing. Then I will resolve them.
Yeah, that's great. So, one last question. What will be the utility of your token?
As I said before, the most hundred buyers, most first top hundred buyers of our token will get
Okay.
a free mint on our marketplace. As currently to mint your notes, and there is regarding some around a little bit of fees that occurs. So that will be totally removed for those 100 persons, those who have the top buyers of our tokens right now,
Mhm.
and
Mhm.
they don't have any limit to withdraw. They can
Okay.
withdraw anytime. That's how it is.
Okay, that's great. It was great talking with you, Prashant.
Thank you, sir. It was also a great talking with you, and thanking. I am also want to thank you the Serene AI that helped me through this and register my project on the platform and providing me this such a great opportunity so I can reach out to the community. Thank you very much, sir.
Anytime. Thank